In this media, you will learn about the operation of hydraulic starters in an emergency generator. The following are the important parts of a hydraulic system. Feed tank and hand pump. The hand pump pumps the oil from the feed tank to the hydraulic accumulator. Hydraulic accumulator. It has a cylinder with a sliding piston that is leak-proof. The oil in the accumulator is then pushed against the piston and sufficient amount of oil pressure will get stored in it. Pressure gauge. This is used to examine the pressure inside the hydraulic accumulator. Relay valve lever. This lever is operated to deliver the stored energy in the hydraulic accumulator to the starter unit. Starter unit and engine dog. This starter unit is attached to the terminal end of the engine by using a bracket. The engine dog is connected to the crankshaft of the engine by using an adapter. How to operate the hydraulic starter. Step 1. Initially, you have to inspect whether the fuel and cooling water valves of the generator are open. Step 2. Fill up the feed tank if required. Step 3. Inspect the accumulator pressure and add up the pressure as per the OEM standards if necessary. Step 4. Now you have to slightly move the relay valve lever to an angle of 45 degrees to get a resisting sensation. The engine dog connected to the crankshaft gets engaged due to slow rotation of the hydraulic starter. Once the engine dog gets engaged, the lever is operated fully to release the pressure in the starter unit and thus the engine starts working. Step 5. Once the engine starts running, the relay lever can be set free to resume to its initial position and the oil used will also be returned to the feed tank. The engine dog gets disengaged. Step 6. Now you should make sure that the accumulator pressure is enough to have at least 2 additional starts. Step 7. Then you have to increase the pressure to the sufficient level for the upcoming emergency. Thus you have learned about the operation of hydraulic starters in an emergency generator.